The overall goal of this procedure is to induce locomotor adaptation or long-term changes in walking coordination using a split belt treadmill, which has two belts that can drive each leg at different speeds.
This method can help address key questions in the motor learning field, such as how people learn to walk differently and how they can adapt to different conditions.
The main advantage of this technique is that most people have never encountered a split belt treadmill before. Thus, the technique provides an insight into how people adapt to a novel perturbation.
The implications of this technique extend toward gait rehabilitation following stroke because we can use the split belt treadmill to train somebody with stroke to walk with more symmetric gait coordination.
This part of the video gives a general overview of the setup. Conduct all the testing in a quiet environment with minimal peripheral activity. Prepare the participant with all the materials needed, such as the motion tracking markers and electromyography sensors. The baseline gait measurement is critical for evaluating normal walking coordination. For overground baseline trials, instruct the participant to walk on a walkway where motion capture data can be collected. Collect a minimum of 10 stride cycles to establish the baseline. If the motion capture system only allows for capture within a limited space, have the participant perform several passes through that space. After each pass-through, the participant should pause, turn, and wait for the investigator's cue to go again. Within limited space, each pass-through must have